A great option for fats, a great option for keto, and a great option for fibers.
So today we are doing a Keto Zucchini Parmesan Spiral. Welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I'm Mehak Nar and that's Praveen Nar.
Alright guys, we're going to chop this from the side a bit. Now, cut from the middle. Alright guys, take a bamboo skewer and just push it to the center of the zucchini. We're using virgin coconut oil. We love to use coconut oil, so that's the reason we're using it. But at the same time, you can use any other oil or the olive oil. Alright, so you're going to take an empty bowl. We're going to put about 10 grams of Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to put some almond flour. 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Take some black pepper, put some black pepper on this one. We're going to use some pink Himalayan salt, just for taste.
And now we're going to bake the same at 180 degrees Celsius for next 15 to 20 minutes. And our yummy keto Parmesan zucchini spirals are ready. It's my all-time favorite snack.
It's easy to make, it takes really some time. The preparation, the availability is so easy. So it makes it all-time favorite. So being said that, you want to make sure that you subscribe with that bell icon, and please do share the channel with friends and family and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video.
Thank you.
Thank you.